You can end animal cruelty everywhere, but you become a fly.
You will rapidly heal from any injury, but all injuries will leave grotesque scars once healed that cannot be removed.
You'll get to know what was in the letter that Jim gave to Pam in the last couple episodes of The Office, but you will probably cry for about an hour and feel like a baby.
You can see and explore any and all worlds and places from fiction, your own imagination, or from history, but you cannot interact with them in any way.